In this video, we will be covering the basics of Business Cloud Fax. Business Cloud Fax allows you to manage your faxes either from your desktop PC or a mobile device. You can do this either by logging into a web client or directly from your email. To log into the web client, first open your web browser and then enter the following link or whatever address was communicated to you by your system administrator. Then enter your email address and your password. If needed, you can check the Stay Signed In box to access the interface more quickly on future logins. When ready, click the Login button. Once you're logged in, the inbound history page of the web client will be displayed. You can create and send a fax from the web client by first clicking the Compose Fax button. Then, in the Compose tab, enter the name, company, and fax number of your desired recipient. Enter an optional subject of the fax in the subject field, and then enter the actual text of the message in the comment section. If you need to use a specific cover sheet, either select one from the cover sheet drop-down list, or you can select none if you do not wish to append one to the fax. If you need to attach a file to your fax, you can do so by clicking the Choose File button located at the bottom of the page, and then selecting the file from your device. Once everything looks good and ready to go, click the Submit button located above the Compose Features tab. Once the fax is submitted, the web client confirms the sending status with a Broadcast ID confirmation number. You can also create and send a fax from your Outlook email. To do this, first open an email window, and in the To field, enter the fax recipient's 10-digit phone number followed by @cloudfax.northland.net. Then, enter the subject of the fax in the subject line. Enter the actual text of the message in the body section of the email message section. If you'd like to attach a document to the fax, simply click Attach File and select the document from your PC or device. When finished, click the Send button on the left side of the Outlook window. You will receive an email notification of a job status of the outbound fax. Now that we've got the basics of sending a fax down, let's take a look at managing your faxes using the web client. You can forward received faxes to other recipients by first checking the box next to the desired fax message, then clicking the Forward drop-down button at the top of the page, followed by More. When clicked, a new window will pop up, giving you a list of recipients that are able to be forwarded a fax message. Select your recipients from this list, and when ready, click the Forward button at the bottom right of the window. You can also do this by clicking and dragging a received fax message up to the Forward drop-down menu and releasing it over the More button. This will then let you follow the same steps to forward the fax to other recipients. You can also delete or mark fax messages as viewed or unviewed from this page. If you deleted a fax message by accident, simply click the Deleted Folder View button at the top of the page, and from there, check the box next to the message you deleted, and then click the Restore button at the top of the page. Your Outbound History folder lets you take a look at all of the faxes that you've sent, while the Outgoing Queue folder lets you take a look at all outgoing faxes that are currently in progress. The Options button at the top right of the page gives you a variety of general fax settings, and also gives you a delegate option in which you can allow users to have specific permissions on how faxes are received, viewed, composed, forwarded, and so on. For more information on Business Cloud Fax, please refer to your user guide or visit our website at www.northland.net.